Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will share with you my easy, delicious, and fast salmon patty recipe and tartar sauce recipe. For my tartar sauce, you will need a half a cup of mayo, 4 tablespoons of finely diced onion, 4 tablespoons of a sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half a tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. To make the tartar sauce, all you have to do is mix all the ingredients into the mayo, mix the onions, the relish, the fresh dill, the lemon juice, the parsley flakes, the Dijon mustard, and the sugar. We want to mix this well. Now that everything is mixed well, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and some fresh ground pepper. Then I'm going to mix that well. Now I will set this in the fridge for about 30 minutes so all the flavors can combine. For my salmon patties, you will need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of minced onion, 1/4 cup of Panko seeds, a can of salmon, salt and pepper, and oil for frying. I'm going to start by removing all of my skin and my bones from my salmon. To start our salmon patties, we are just going to mix all of our ingredients, our Parmesan cheese, our panko, our lemon juice, our onions, our breadcrumbs, our paprika, and our dill. We are just going to mix this together well. Now that we have this mixed slightly, we're going to add our 2 eggs in. Now we are going to mix this well, and it works better if you use your hands. Now that I have all of my ingredients mixed up, I'm going to make my salmon patties, and this is going to make 4 salmon patties. A little trick that I do is I divide the ingredients up like that so you have equal patties. And when you make them, they will be almost uniform. Now I'm going to put some freshly ground pepper on this side of my salmon cakes. Now I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of some olive oil in my skillet and turn it on to medium heat and wait for this to heat up. Now that our skillet is warm, we will put our salmon patties in our skillets, pepper side down. And now we are going to put some pepper on this side of our salmon patties. We will cook these for about 5 minutes on this side. These have been cooking for about 5 minutes on this side. I am going to turn them. Now that all of these have been flipped, I will cook them for about 5 minutes on this side. Now that these have been cooking for 5 minutes on this side, it is time to plate. I have paired my salmon patties and my tartar sauce with some quinoa, some corn on the cob, and some honey glazed baby carrots. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment what you want to see me cook next, share this video with your friends, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.